Here's Lake Isabella, one of the beautiful, pristine spots. Of course, come here, eat your pizza and chuck it, and drink your Budweiser or whatever, the beer can. I can't see it, but I'll find it for sure. And then throw your plastic and then smoke and put it out here so that you will cause tremendous harm to wildlife, tremendous harm to the nature, the entire way of life here. No, we must stop this menace spreading the very beauty of our world and scarring our planet, causing tremendous and artificiality and tremendous harm to the earth's surface, and is causing tremendous natural disasters because of recklessness and irresponsible human beings that are carrying on behaving as if they are living the last days. In fact, they're causing an untold amount of misery and pain to others and to everyone around them, plus to the wider society and to the world. We have to bring out conscious human beings with no law and order. We shouldn't have any laws. We shouldn't have any concern about order. All we need to do is bring out conscious, inward, gentle human beings. The education needs to be completely revamped, knocked on the head, turn it upside down, inwards, is the only way out for humanity to exist and to preserve what we've got here. The temperature is reaching 105 Fahrenheit here.